Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to check out battery health in any laptop running on any Windows operating system. Before start, please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Let's see how to check out battery health in Windows operating system laptops. First of all, you need to open command prompt or simply press Windows plus R key and here write CMD and hit enter. After this, you will see this window, or you can simply search command. After this, select and right click on it, select run as administrator, and this window will be opened. In this window, you have to write power POWER CFG space slash battery BATTERY report REPORT and hit enter. After this, you will see this option. Battle life report save to path or save to file path C slash users slash Sajid mean to say user and slash battery report.html. You can close this window. Now see my file. I open Sajid file or site folder. From here you can see battery report. You have to double click on it to view the report. After this you will see battery report. Here you will see not only battery health but a lot of information about your battery, including MWH and Alestra. For example, first you can see computer name, system product, BIOS, operating system build, platform role, connected standby, report time. And next option is installed batteries, battery name, manufacturer, and other details. Similarly, behind this you can see recent usage, which is totally clear about everything, where you can see where the source is AC or battery, and you can see battery usage, start time, and other details. Similarly, usage history. Here you can see battery capacity history. Our day by day decreasing battery or health is decreasing, and other details, battery life estimates, and current system of battery life based on all observed drains since operating system installed. In this way, you can check out your battery health in any laptop running on Windows operating system. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Please thumb up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. If you have any question or any problem, please comment below. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Allah Hafiz.